In front of me is INFINIX Hot 50 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings. Then scroll down to click on Password and Security. Select Lock Screen Password here and tap on one of those login methods, in my case Pattern. Now you need to create it and repeat it to confirm it. Then choose Confirm at the bottom right corner. Following that, pick one of those options for your lock screen notifications, and when you finished, hit Done. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I guess that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!